So reframing for learning in terms of resolving problems can start with the reflective practitioner first identifying a problem statement. A problem statement needs to be formulated in order to identify, explain the problem. Now, the key thing to remember here for all reflective practitioners is not to identify a problem statement too deeply, because through providing a very structured and detailed problem statement in the early stages can actually prevent the process of learning from experience and from reflection. So the important thing to do is to select the level at which you want to work with a particular problem statement. And really the key thing to remember as a reflective practitioner is that you want your problem statements to be quite unsatisfactory, because part of being a reflective practitioner is the constant seeking to refine and better define your problem statement as part of the process of learning. So by working with unsatisfactory problem statements, we're being much more critical in terms of our thinking about situations that we're working with in the classroom. And critical thinking and reflective practice come together in terms of framing and reframing problem statements that we're working with. And what you need to do then is to design and develop your approach to working with problem statements, the cognitive strategies that you apply in any particular case. And in terms of cognitive strategies, the reflective practitioner has two key levels that we can work at. One is the action level, which is very practical, and one which is the cognitive level, where we're thinking and reflecting about a particular problem. And what we need to do as reflective practitioners, therefore, is to find a way with a particular problem statement to combine the action level and the cognitive level together, so that we have a very full and deepening understanding of the problem. And what this leads to ultimately is conceptual innovation for the teacher. What we're always doing in terms of learning is developing connections in our brains about our understanding of experience and learning, and seeing where things fit together. And therefore our concepts can change, can evolve, and also can disappear with experience and with thinking through problems. So conceptual understanding is essentially about how we look at situations and abstract our understanding in relation to those situations, how we stand back from the experience, from the reality, and begin to theorize and understand the experience from a very abstract point of view. And so conceptual innovation then is very much about working with concepts, and they're concepts in terms of how we're understanding situations, how we're perceiving situations, how we're monitoring situations, and how we're understanding how others are working and experiencing those situations. And so reflective practice as a process then brings new concepts to the reflective practitioner. And these concepts then are a way for us to develop and grow as high quality and highly effective teachers.